In a shocking incident from Bhopal, a college student was allegedly kidnapped after he failed to pay Rs 1500 lost in an online Ludo game. The incident took place near MP Nagar Zone 2 at a popular tea spot. According to police, the accused forced the student into a car and took him to the Kular area where they threatened and assaulted him. The attackers then forced the victims to transfer more than Rs 11,000 through different QR codes. After taking the money, they dropped him back at the same place from where he was picked up. Both the victims and the accused are students and knew each other earlier. The victim, 23-year-old Abhay Chauhan, is a BTech student living in Jahangirabad. Police have arrested 4 suspects and registered a case of kidnapping, assault and extortion. Further investigation is currently in progress. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav held a video conference with district collector to improve farming. He said each district should focus on crop grown in large amount there. He plans to visit districts like Mandla, Dindori and Umaria where millet farming is common. A special meeting will also be held in soybean producing areas. District known for wheat and paddy farming will get extra support to increase production. The Chief Minister also asked officers to promote horticulture farming. He said this step will help farmers earn more and improve the state's agriculture sector. A ragging case has been reported at Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Medical College in Jabalpur. A junior student complained that senior students harassed him. After an investigation, the college administration took strict action. 8 third-year MBBS students have been suspended for 6 months. Each student was also fined Rs 10,000. The college said ragging will not be tolerated and a strict rule will be followed to protect students. Officials have warned students against such behavior and asked them to maintain discipline on campus. The incident has raised concern among parents and students about safety in colleges. Bardwani Superintendent of Police Jagdish Dawar retired on Saturday. His farewell looked more like a political rally than a normal government event. The city was decorated with banners, posters and welcome gates. Supporters gathered in large number with traditional tribal music. Social media was also filled with posts about his retirement. Many people are now wondering if this grand farewell is a sign that Dawar may enter politics soon. The event created a strong public interest and discussion across the district. Officials said it was a simply farewell, but political speculation continues. Urban Development Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya has responded to a controversy over his recent statement. He said his speech during a private event on January 28th was edited and presented wrongly. According to him, the video made it look like he was making personal allegations against someone. He said his original message and context were not shown properly. The minister stressed that his words were misunderstood and requested people not to spread incomplete information. He also said public figures should be judged based on full fact, not edited clips. Members of the upper caste community protested against new UGC rules in Sagar city. The protest was organized under the banner of Swarna Samaj Sangharsh Samiti. Protesters gathered near Pahalwan Babba temple and carried out a symbolic funeral procession. They carried a mock bear on their shoulder while raising slogans against the new education rules. The rally passed through several cities areas before reaching the collector's office. Protesters later burned the symbolic bear to show their anger. They demanded changes in UGC policies and said the rules are unfair. Dense fog affected many districts of Madhya Pradesh on Saturday morning. Gwalior, Rewa and Datia reported very low visibility. Rewa had a worst fog conditions. More than 20 districts including Bhopal, Ujjain, Satna, Jabalpur and Ratlam experienced medium fog. The weather department said cold condition may continue in the coming days. Driver faced problem due to low visibility and people were advised to travel carefully. The fog also affected daily activities and delayed transportation in several areas.